Hi, this video is the art of hair transplant restoration surgery on a black African American man who had multiple surgery in the past at another clinic, which gave him a really high hairline. It's almost a Caucasian hairline. The angle of from the eyebrow to the hairline, what he has, what they built for him is around 8.5 to 9 centimeter, which is more like the height of Caucasian men. Furthermore, the angle of the temple, they left it like that in the most acute backward. So, despite he has some hair, it's still not perfect. It's completely off in terms of, the hairline that he's supposed to have for a black man. As you know, I'm one of the very few hair transplant surgeons who specialize in the art of recreating the black hairline for black men or black women. It's the whole artistry behind it. It's not just the surgical skill of the surgeon. So on average, from the mid-eyebrow to the hairline, is around 6.5 to 7 for Asian men and black men. However, not every man is exactly the same. We use the average ethnic hairline height as a guide, but when we build the hairline, we want to build it according to each individual facial structure. And considering this black man, he actually a really tall guy. So, and his overall feature is bigger and longer. So what that means is his face is longer. So we cannot use from the mid-eyebrow to the hairline is around 7 centimeters for him. In actuality, he's very conservative and he doesn't want an aggressive hairline. I actually had to fight him to bring down the hairline that you're supposed to have. And from the mid-eyebrow to his hairline right here, I give him a 7.5 centimeter, not 6.5 to 7. And again, even then, that's above average. Again, but as long as it's proportional to his overall face, and his goal was he wanted a mature hairline, a natural hairline for his face. He doesn't want a baby hairline. And I'll tell you the truth. And most of the time, I spending fighting against my client, will actually encourage them to raise the hairline higher to the 6.5 to 7. Most of the black men came to me wanted by 5.5 or 5, and that's. But this is opposite in this, and I'm really glad that he have this mentality, because that will give him the most natural hairline. Yet at the same time, I don't want to give him a Caucasian man hairline. So from here, from the mid eyebrow to the hairline is 7.5 centimeter. From the midpoint to the temple, his is over 11 centimeter, 10.5 centimeter. But I bring it up to, from the midpoint to the temple should be 7 to 8.5. So we only bring it back to 8.5 centimeter for him. So it's the most widest but natural average, and from here to here is 7.5 again above, as long as overall proportional to his face, a third and a third and a third. And I'm very excited for him, because next year his face completely changed, and when he walked down the street, no one can tell he had that surgery. With this one, people will say, yeah, he has hair, but it doesn't look natural, so it draws attention to it. It will bring, once you have the hairline right, it will frame the face. It will really enhance his overall feature. He gained 10 to 20 years of his youth back. It's supposed to have the hairline that he's supposed to have. And once you have it right, it will enhance the eyes and nose and all the features that God created for him. I'm very excited. We're gonna do a follow-up a year later. And so that's his hairline. And we'll have him turn this way. And we'll bring the temple straight up. And look at this way. Again, we'll bring the temple straight up, and we look down, all the way down for me, all the way down, all the way down. And you see, this is, well, our first project's around 2,000, above 2,000 something, just to build the front part. And next year we do the other one. And if he's patient with me, I can get him there. Thank you. Hold on.